6 things you need to have a 6-figure income. That's right, guys. Affiliate is the best thing you can have to create money, but you need to do it correctly. If you don't do it correctly, you will get lost and you will never sell products. Let me show you how it's done. The 6 things you need. Number 1, you need a professional website. If you haven't got a website and if you haven't got a good links, because when you send a link to anyone, they look at your link. If the link looks like garbage, no one's gonna click it and you will not make money. So you need to have a website with a good name that you can put your affiliate links in your website. And also, not just a website, you will get an email with professional emails. You can send email. We'll talk about email in a minute. A second thing you need is obviously ClickBank platform that you can start using their products to sell affiliate products to make money, to promote money. And not just any, like you can have in different languages, you can have different categories. You can have in arts, business, computers, fashion, games, health, whatever you want. The third thing you need to start putting your ads for free, and that is the free ad forum. This is where you can put your free ads and then start earning money, or you can use it for £5, 90 days, just for £5, just to be highlighted at the top of the screen. The fourth thing you need funnels. For you to stand out of the crowd, to stand out from everyone, affiliate, you need to look good. Your landing page need to look good. Whenever you put your ads or anything, you need to look professional. When you look professional, you start selling your products. That goes for everything. Wherever you go into any shops you want, everyone need to look professional to sell professional products. It's simple as that. Is ClickFunnels. And the fifth thing you need an email marketing autoresponder. Here's how you're gonna collect email and then categorize everyone who to send which email, which niche you're selling. You can be health, you can be online marketing, arts, computers, anything you want. You can create a perfect email autoresponder. And the last thing, number 6, is where you will learn all this. You need a training program. Without the training program, you are not going to achieve anything. And this is where I found my training program, and you can create perfect affiliate program and start earning that £600. This program, you can have it as little as a price of a McDonald's meal, which is $9.95. You can learn a lot of stuff to activate your system to get done for your pizza price, make sales while you sleeping. So there you have it, guys. I can't explain and show you exactly everything in this video, but if you want to learn more, I've got a step-by-step guide, a free guide. Just follow on the link below and I'll send you an email with all the details where you can see all the videos that you can watch for free and learn more things about affiliate program and start earning money. And this program is for everyone, not just any country, anyone. As long as you got a laptop, you can do this. And that doesn't mean your kids can't do that. Even your kids, your 15-year-old kid, your 18-year-old kid, they can do that too. You are not going to learn this in school, and this is why people are making endless amount of money and having that freedom. Freedom is more important than anything in life. So get your freedom and start taking action. If you're not gonna take action, you're not gonna succeed. As simple as that. If you like this content, please subscribe to this channel, like, share and comment, and I'll see you in another video. Goodbye.